Alright guys, I'm going to do a demo of my 5E3. I'm going to, excuse the dog, he'll go away when I start playing. I'll be using Cabernita Telly. And then just Les Paul. So kind of give you, I should have used a single coil, but I just didn't feel like grabbing it. So hopefully this don't distort out the iPhone. But here's the blue. The settings. I'm in the first input of the instrument. Yeah, first input of the instrument. My mic volume is on 10. The instrument volume is on 3, and the tone is on 8. And this is the Celestion Blue. Alright, same settings, but with Les Paul now. Alright, same settings. First input on the instrument side. Mic is on 10, instruments on 3, tones on 8 with the Cabernita. And this is the WGS g12q. Also might be worth mentioning, this speaker is right out of the box. I have never put sound through it. The blue actually had probably about 5 hours of some pretty loud play on it, so I could say it was, you know, slightly broken in, but I wouldn't just call it broken in yet. And this is brand new, so you know there's going to be some give come to this thing in the future. But anyways, here is the G12Q with the Cabernita. Right off the bat, it's a whole lot. I wouldn't say a whole lot, but it's a whole lot. I just said it. It is more usable. The blue was just so, I mean, just painfully loud. And this right here, that's a very manageable volume for a gig. Bad. Alright. Try the Les Paul out. Les Paul, everything wide open. I know the blue is a all-time favorite, but I'm gonna stick with that WGS. It's got that old school, that tweed breakup, and just that rock and roll sound that I wanted out of it without having to blow my eardrums out. So awesome. Like it and share and comment if you want to see anything else. I've got a few other amps. I've got an old 66 Basement I put in a combo, and a Supro that I put an Alnico in, and some other stuff. So if anything anybody wants, just let me know. And like I said, like, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate it.